Hello, dear students. Welcome back to Infinite Languages. Today, we are not going to learn anything new. Yeah, you heard me right. Instead, I want to talk about something just as important. It's been a wonderful journey exploring languages together, and I have always valued the connection we share. Learning a new language is not just about mastering words, it's about incorporating a new way of thinking and connecting with the world around us. As we navigate this journey together, I have come to appreciate not just your enthusiasm but also your honesty in sharing the challenges you face. Today, I want to talk about how we can continue this journey in a way that best supports your growth and make your learning smoother and more enjoyable. I have noticed that life has demands, from exams to festive joys. Sometimes make it challenging to keep up with the pace of learning. I have heard your thoughts and understand the importance of balancing study with everything else life brings. So, to ensure you have the time and space to truly engage with each lesson, I'm making a small change. Beginning on the 7th of September, that is, an auspicious day of Ganesh Chaturthi, I'll be sharing 2 videos each month. This will give you the breathing room to practice and master each concept without feeling rushed. Thank you for being so dedicated and for trusting me to guide you on this journey. I'm excited for the path ahead and I'm here to support you every step of the way. As we integrate this new approach, remember, learning is a journey, not a race. Let's continue moving forward one step at a time with confidence and S. Thank you for your trust and dedication. Until next time, take care. Keep watching, keep learning, keep growing with Mansi. Goodbye.